Okay, I just want to show you how our home is. Ma kukwamama ikhaya ne-sound yakhona iyakhombisa ukuthi ubani oyi-authority lapho. So I just want you to hear the different tune of how this house is. Ma kukwamama. Okay, kwamashadi step umshini owashayo. I'll make a comparison. Just note ukuthi kwamama i-sound yakhona ithini noma ikhala okuthini, bese uyaqaphela ukuthi kusho ukuthi kuzo zonke lezi insuku umama usuke ecompromise i-sound yakwakhe to ukubekezelela i-sound engasiyo eyakwakhe. Alright, eyakwamama and ikhaya nekhaya sakhula i-sound, or rather not just i-radio but i-sound yendlu ilawulwa umnikazi wendlu. I-sound iyi-character yalelo khaya. Okay, I'm saying deep things now, ezingimangazayo. Yeah, but the character of your household is also reflected by the sound. So here's the character of our home. That's the sound of my home. Okay, ile sound yakwamiya. So ma uvuka ekseni ngo-7 rasiselwa i-hip hop throughout the day. It is deliberate. There's another video clip I made quickly mangena ngibuya Diepkloof Monday. It was dead quiet. Nginento engangena yaqala sound because the sound in an agenda. All right, so it is a satanic tool against Christian values. All right, so now that's the sound at home. That's the Mia family sound. Now, how do you correct mom for allowing this? You don't have a means because mama ulkhuni uma une effect ye dumb and deaf spirit, and which I'm praying to cast out. I'm casting out all spirits ezishayayo nami ezingishayayo, so that we become the effective church even in household. Because umama uye wenza ukuthi mina naye sibe divided ngokulalela abathakathi or abantu aba-evil or ama-satanist or abantu aba-wrong, and then ngoba waba nomoya ukuthi alwela abantu, and ulwela abantu ngendlela e-ungodly. You must fight for people biblically, ngendlela e-godly, as in biblical way. Even when kunomusa ukuthi love covers over sin, it doesn't mean it covers over sin to the detriment of the church. So what she's doing is just wrong, and then empowering a satanist or satanic people to rule over the airspace of her household. So in the name of Jesus Christ, I cast out demons of sound, necromancy, and all the associated spirits, obulozi, yabalozi, and everything. I cast all those dominions and evil spirits out. La kwamiya isound yakwamiya ile egameni kaJesu Kristu. Lo Satan simlaleliswa every day, ngiyamthulisa ngegama kaJesu. I-protection order ithe umama unelungelo lokuyicisha leyo sound or into embraselayo kwakhe. So manje ukuqhubeka kwalokhu angithi mina i-protection order anginikezanga kunye, kusho ukuthi ngenza iphutha ukuthi ngiyikhansele yami ngoba vele yami yayisekelwe ekutheni ngisapothe kama. So I shouldn't have done that. I should have had mine as well. All right, but again, nevertheless, that's what happened. All right, so isound yakwamiya ile.